Probably came across this function in NitroCell and wondered, why would I need to delete a family table? Well, actually, it's a very cool and easy way to disassociate instances from a generic. So, for example, this 12 millimeter screw that's currently in session. If we do a delete family table using the TBL model function here, it expects a table as the reference. So we're going to go create that real quick. So item name, and I'm just going to do a control T to create a table and say that as headers, we're going to give it a name, my table. Okay. Now, currently in session, we have that instance and it's generic. Okay. So let's put in the generic screw.prt, and then let's simply reference that with nc. Oh, sorry, we need tbl colon my table, and then I want to do a regenerate when it's finished. Okay, so this is the currently active model, which is an instance of that screw.prt. You'll notice it right there. So when we run this, you'll notice that when this is finished running, that the screw, the generic has been removed, so that this model right now is a complete standalone model. So if we take a look at it, we'll notice that the model is the generic is still out there. If we do a erase not displayed, where is that? Let's see, manage session, erase not displayed. You'll notice that the instance that we were working with is now disassociated from that model. So the cool thing about this is that you can actually be a little bit more generic about this. So if we look at this, you'll see it can also work with multiple models. So I'm going to erase memory. We're going to open up, let's open up screw. Let's open up this 15 millimeter one, and then let's open up another screw nested, and maybe do the 25 millimeter one here. Actually, let's open up a nested instance too. So let's dig down and grab like this in 11. Okay. So now we've got all these things in session here. I'm just going to put a star.prt. Now what this is going to do is it's going to go through any model that's in session and strip out or delete the family tables for each of them. So whatever's in session that was loaded that was referencing those would be disassociated. And then I'm going to regenerate anything that's in session also by using the same table reference. So when we run this, you'll notice here, oh, I had the wrong function here. Let's use table regenerate. Okay, let's run that again. So now we've got, this is all finished. And if we take a look at the in session now, you can see here is this individual part now without any association to the nested instance that it was referencing, and all of these other models are also here too. So you could see that the screw and the nested, the generics are still there, but if you open these up, they just appear to be their generic states now. They do not have any family tables with them at all like they did before.